Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Wonder Cookroom. In today's video, we are going to make a very delicious homemade strawberry jam pie filling. Let's get started with our recipe without any further ado. Firstly, we would make a cornstarch slurry. For this, we would require 1/4 cup of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add all the three ingredients together, i.e. the cornstarch, the lemon juice and the water, and whisk it well until the cornstarch is dissolved well. Once we are done making the cornstarch slurry, we would move on to the main ingredients of our jam. For this, we would require 0.5 kg of strawberry, that means half a kg of strawberries. We would cut the leaves and split them apart in two pieces. Once we are done cutting the strawberries, we would add the strawberries to a pan on medium heat, and then we would add some caster sugar. Here I am using half a cup of caster sugar, and we won't add any water as the strawberries would leave their own water and this would cook in it. So make sure you mix this well time to time, and we would cook it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I am using a desi tool to mash up all the strawberries. It's your choice if you want to leave it chunky. Later I used the immersion blender to blend all the strawberries, and now when our mixture is quite put together, now we would add our cornstarch slurry. Make sure to add it all at once and keep stirring so that no lumps are formed, and leave stirring when mixture is thick enough as you require. It would take about 5 to 7 minutes on medium heat to thicken up. Once our jam is thickened up and looks something like this, we would take it off flame and add it to the pie crust we made before, and then we would refrigerate the pie for 2 to 24 hours. It's totally up to you until it is settled. So here our recipe is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you did like it, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, comment your valuable feedback down below. I would see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.